Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrubbing Quick Designs, and it is Wednesday, September the 9th. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend and did something fun with your family or friends, social distancing, of course. I know that I have been doing a lot of crafts lately, and I am running low on supplies. So today is Wednesday, and Cricut releases their new sales every Wednesday, and there are some incredible deals that I just could not let the day pass without sharing those with you so that you could go grab a few things if you need them. Be sure and use my link if you're going to make a purchase. I really appreciate that to support my channel and my groups. And if you purchase $50 or more, you can use my special promo code SMQD Save 10 and you can get an additional 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. Now, Cricut Access subscribers, of course, automatically get 10% off, so those savings really start to add up when you see all the amazing deals that you can get right now at Cricut.com. I'll post all these links in the description where you see the video posted, and I appreciate you clicking that link to make your purchase. Let me show you what I thought were awesome deals. So Cricut's calling this their autumn sale, and the first thing I want to talk about is they have made some really amazing bundles that I thought that I needed to point out. One, there is a very awesome mystery box going on right now. It's $39.99. It has $137 worth of value in it. I'll post in the description of this video what's inside that mystery box if you want to snag that. But there's some other bundles here that I think are fabulous deals. Now, the essential materials bundle I thought was a really great bargain because it's only $69.99 plus it's worth about $120, but it has that deep cut blade that you need to use with some of the Cricut materials, that you can use the deep cut blade in your Cricut Explore machines and in your Cricut Maker. So it includes that in this pack, plus the mats, that strong grip mat, a light grip mat, and a standard grip mat. And it has some vinyl and some pins, a scoring tool, and the different tools that you can use with your Cricut machine. So whether you have the Maker or the Explorer, this bundle is going to be great. Let's see, the other bundle that I thought was really fabulous was the infusible ink bundle. If you've been wanting to get into infusible ink, now is a really cool time to do that, because you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes of infusible ink, 2 packs of the infusible ink pens, a pack of coasters, the ceramic ones and the cork-backed coasters, and a Cricut tote bag here. And this is a really good value. So that's the infusible ink everything bundle. The other bundle that I thought was a really good deal was this Ultimate Materials bundle, and it has a little bit of everything. So if you've been wanting some different things to play with, maybe you're new to Cricut, you're trying to get some more supplies, this has chipboard, it has writing pens, it's got a mixture of adhesive vinyl and iron-on, it's got the transfer tape, it's got the toolkit, it's got the extra large scraper that I really love, and it's got an extra set of blades, replacement blades for your Cricut. So this, again, used with Cricut Maker or Cricut Explore users. And some of y'all have been asking me about, what do you put on those stretchy, like nylon type materials that you use for working out and things like that? You use Sports Flex iron-on, and there is a Sports Flex iron-on basic. Now this is so that it actually moves and stretches with your material. Okay, so that's what you would use. All right, let's take a look at, they've got a bunch of bulk supplies on sale that I wanted to point out, because I think that everybody uses a lot of white and black iron-on, right? Those are the two most popular things. If you're looking for something that you want to add to your iron-on stash, these bundles are amazing deals. So this is the everyday iron-on. You get a roll of white and a roll of black, or you can get them in single colors depending upon what you want. Make sure you're looking for the iron-on. That's what I thought was a really great deal. There's also this really nice premium vinyl that's permanent, okay, and you get 2 rolls. You get silver and gold. With the holidays coming up, I know that those would be 2 colors that you guys would use a lot in your holiday making. So those are other things that are good. And let's see, the other thing that I really liked was the Everyday Iron-On Value Pack, the one that's the rainbow. So you get 12 by sheets, one of each color. So if you don't have a lot of iron-on right now and you're thinking, well, I wish I had just some more at home that I could pick from in different colors, this is what I have. And I think that is an awesome value. Plus, remember, you're going to get an extra 10% off and free shipping. And so that really starts to add up as you start looking at the things that are on sale. So there's a bunch of stuff here and good values. The replacement blades are also a good value right now, almost half off for the 5-pack replacement blades. And there's also the 10 count replacement blade. So if you're looking for blades, you want to use the ones that are specific to the Cricut Explore and Maker machines. These are the right blades. These will give you that great cut and they'll be long lasting. All right, one last thing to show you is there is a clearance section at Cricut.com, and there are some crazy, amazing deals in the clearance section right now. So if you've been wanting to do a little bit of iron-on and you want like a little starter kit, the starter kit is on sale for $9.25, and it's really cool. It has a lot of fun stuff in it, so you might want to check that out. There's a bunch of different sampler packs for permanent adhesive vinyl and removable vinyl. They're great prices, so you can look and kind of see what colors you want. I definitely think if you want to do Jolly Holidays with me this year, that's my big 5-class event that I do once a year, and we're going to be using some of the wood veneer for Cricut in one of the classes. So if you are thinking you want to do Jolly Holidays with me this year, go ahead and snag one of these wood veneers because they're on sale for $8. So we'll definitely be using them in my Jolly Holidays class. So grab that. And let's see, also the big self-healing mat, the 12 by 18 one is only $10. So that's half off. That is great for protecting your desktop surfaces. Those of you that are new and you're trying to, gather a few supplies to set up your own craft room, I highly recommend the mat. I use the grid on my mats all the time for helping me align things, and it's just nice to have a good surface to craft on. There's a bunch of other things. There's a bunch of iron-on samplers that are also on sale for great prices, so just kind of check those out. If you are sewing right now, this rotary cutting kit is really nice. I have this. It has the grid roller for rolling and cutting your materials out. It comes with a big cutting mat, and it also comes with the rotary cutter. So this is what I use when I'm actually doing my sewing projects with my Cricut. And let's see, glitter iron-on, there's some of that in here. There's the double wheel scoring tip for if you have the Cricut Maker. That scoring tip is on sale. Materials, I love these shimmer paper, and so I use that a lot in my crafting because it adds that little extra sparkle, and it's not like regular glitter paper where the glitter flakes off. It looks beautiful and it doesn't come off, so that's something else that I use a lot of. But anyway, so I just wanted to point out there's even some Halloween paper. If you guys are the Nightmare Before Christmas fans, there is Nightmare Before Christmas paper in the clearance section as well. There's even some Disney patterned iron-on. So there's lots of cool things. I just wanted to point that out. There's page after page after page, but I just wanted to jump in real quick. I've already started putting stuff in my shopping cart to replenish my crafty stash. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll post the link, the shopping link for you to use in the description of the video. Use my promo code. If you get $50 or more, use my promo code SMQDSAVE10. Also, we'll post in the description of the video to save an extra 10% off plus free shipping. in the US and Canada. Now, if you're a Cricut Access subscriber, you get an additional 10% off on top of that. So those savings really start to add up. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Have a great day and happy crafting.